curable. Now, I stand here before you as a breast cancer survivor. That's the message that first of all of you need to take home. Wear your pink ribbon with pride, enjoy the ride, and we'll be there all the way.
My sister was a patient for the cancer and she is going to be with me as a navigator.
We've in our personal lives had an issue with cancer, so we hope it doesn't happen to anybody.
This is about the celebration of women, but also with a cause.
We look forward to welcoming you at Lavasa. Have a look at what we're doing there. Experience the magic of the mountains and the lake, and let your hair down, have fun, and all the best.
Talking to the wind behind the wheel, Khushi and Azadi is what I feel.
The reason I'm here is just to support the cause, which I guess every woman need to be aware of. The more the women drive, lesser the road rage.
It's fun, we're excited, looking forward now.
Drive itself sounds so exciting with all those directions.
Well, here we are, 6:30 in the morning, and very, very excited about being part of the Lavasa Women's Car Drive.
Very excited, and all are ready to go to Lavasa.
Very excited.
Any single car and I'll be good with it.
Well, this is the third edition of Lavasa Women's Drive. Today we are here flagging off 350 cars. Today Pune also starts for the first time, 150 cars from there. So it's going to be like 2011 women reaching Lavasa between 11 and 2 o'clock.
I'm so excited. I'm so proud to say I'm a part of this beautiful, amazing city which has so much of energy. And see the women, they're so excited. If we don't win the race, we win the heart.
Quite a few messages which I've seen, not all, but I think each and every one is special.
It's not that you will not notice something written on that car. Even if you just goes through by you and you just realize something written, it'll definitely stay with you.
Bombay Times acknowledges the power of women, and on behalf of the Times Group, I wish you a great drive and have fun.
I think the initiative that they've started is to create a lot of awareness about how women should get themselves checked up. You know, there are many people who can bring them out of something like that.
Lavasa Rally Drive, I think is a fantastic concept. I think it goes even just beyond supporting a cause.
Talking to the wind behind the wheel, Khushi और आज़ादी is what I feel. Life का ignition है on, जीना है full power, full on.
Oh, we are feeling wonderful. Women are enjoying here.
No stopping, no slowing, जीतेंगे सारे जहां को.
I hope you're not going too fast.
teach one. Make sure you educate the girl child.
Going great, but via route we got lost.
Narrow road is ahead. Please take care. Sure. Okay.
From Bombay to reach first in Lavasa, so we are happy for that. We're gonna be back next year!
It's great that women are coming together in a celebration of the spirit of women like this, and at the same time working for their larger family, their sisterhood.
Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो. पब्लिक में सनसनी एक बार करने दो. डार्लिंग आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो. रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. ये कैसा है बहारा, बेचैन जाने यारा.
Message for those who miss the rally: don't miss it next time.
I still have to pick up his towel, and he still makes the room dirty. And yes, I still fight, and I'm always right.
I'm not here to say, all the men out here are really stupid. They're not. But let's just face it, dudes, you can't multitask. So don't try, okay? We can do this.
Darling! Look at the type of women who are here. Everyone's doing something good in life in various fields. I think women have conquered the earth.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
We're speeding, we're cruising, दिखलाएंगे दुनिया को, no stopping, no slowing. At Lavasa Women's Drive. Cruising, we're speeding, दिखलाएंगे दुनिया को, no stopping, no slowing. At Lavasa Women's Drive.